All right, boys and girls, so when you move on to page 93, it's still a review of our letter that we're working on today, which is H, uppercase H, lowercase h. So on page 93, we're going to trace and write uppercase and lowercase h 3 times. And remember, when we write, we start at the top. So I'm going to start at the top of my uppercase H and go down on both lines, and then I'm going to make my line across. On my lowercase h, I'm going to start at the top, I'm going to go down, push back up, and then make a hump down. And you're going to do that 2 more times. So you're going to make your uppercase h and your lowercase h. Then you're going to identify the words that begin with the letter H. Okay, so let's look for the pictures of the words that begin with the H. So the first one is done for us in an example. That's a hamster. It does begin with that's the first sound we hear. Let's look at our next one. Bowl. Does that begin with the No, it does not. So we can go ahead and put an X on it. What about balloon? Right, it does not begin with H. What about hose? Yes, it does begin with H, so we're going to circle it. What about horn? Right, it does begin with H, so we're going to circle it. What about hammer? Right, it does begin with H, so we're going to circle it. And the last picture we have here is of a fence. Right, it does not begin with H. It begins with an F. Alright, so once you've completed pages 92 and 93, you can send me pictures on Class Dojo, Google Classroom, or send them to my email.